How to download and install Canva on laptop or PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can install or download Canva on your laptop or PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up browser of your preferred choice. Navigate to search bar and then type in Canva download. From your search results, you have to head over to the first link, that is Canva for Windows desktop application. After that, you'll be taken into this page where you have an option to download for your Windows. Click on it. Then the download will begin. As you can see, the file is being downloaded. Once the file is downloaded completely, you have to open up this file. Then the installation will begin. Once the installation is complete, then you can use Canva in your Windows or laptop. That's it. That's how you download and install Canva on your laptop. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.